guys, welcome to the channel. I'm your host, Spilla here, bringing you another special type of video today, reviewing the Beisiwo Condenser USB microphone. So, I would love to say a big thank you to Paladu for sending me this free product for review. And yeah, I'm really excited to get into what secrets Beisiwo has within their microphone. So without further ado, let's get into it. And we don't even need an unboxing knife for this, guys. We just have to undo the latch like this, and bada bing, bada boom, the moment of truth. All right, guys, a 3, a 2, 1. Oh my goodness, whoa, snap. We got the manual, and oh boy, the packaging. Look at that, guys. Dude, I love this. Oh my goodness, they have it so well. They have it so well packaged in here. Oh my word. Look at how well this is so packaged. Man, this is not gonna, oh my goodness. I gotta be careful not to, okay, easy bro, easy, chill. Whew, look at this, guys. Oh, wow. This is awesome. There's sound foam over the microphone as well. And oh my, you've got tons of cable here. So I'm really excited to get into this product, guys. Well, I guess we don't need the box anymore because we're getting into the review process. So, Kobe, do it! So this is the Beisiwo USB condenser microphone. And yeah, I really love this design. It's so sleek and it's so portable that it really looks so neat on anyone's setup, guys. And it's compatible with MacBook, desktop, notebooks, or PCs. Like, you are not gonna have any issues finding where this thing can plug into. As long as it has a USB, you are fine. All you have to do is go up to your PC or MacBook and just plug it in. It should start flickering green right there, and then it should be on. You can turn it on, you can turn it off. It will flicker a little bit, and then whenever it stays green, you know that it is good. So this is the condenser part, and this basically makes to ensure that your audio stays very good. But compatibility is not the only great thing about this microphone, because it's that flexible design that allows you to adjust the microphone to any angle that you want, and it stays there. It's really compact with that swiveled gooseneck that allows you to find the perfect height and show whatever you want. It's that unique 360-degree omnidirectional microphone movement that really allows you to maintain source with the wind cover and really get the most out of your microphone. Along with that, it's super easy to operate. That easy to use plug-and-play design that I just showed you. Also, it takes up less space. It's portable. It's smaller. You can put it in a bag and carry it with you anywhere. And it can be used to pick up sound very far away. This is one of the greatest attributes of this microphone. The sound that it picks up. It has such powerful technology to pick up the sound. You don't have to have it so close to you. You can have it far away and it's gonna pick it up. It's so awesome that it can be far away and it will still pick up your voice. Along with that, it's also got a grip on the bottom of the microphone. Even though the table can be shaking, that microphone is not gonna move. It really isn't. Like, I'm impressed with everything. It's really nice for the stability. This USB microphone is functional. It works great with online chatting, singing, and Skype, from Discord into YouTube recording, and especially from voices to stream to podcasts. This microphone can be really used for any scenario that you want it. And yeah, it's coming at a price point of $15.99. So everything from the unique flexible design to the easy portable aspect of it, all the way to the multifunctional, easy to use plug-and-play design and its compatibility, this microphone is affordable as well. Coming at with that $15.99 on Amazon. You can pick it up right now. I really would highly recommend this microphone. So we are actually going to get into actually testing out the sound of the microphone, but that really gives you a good summary of the Beisiwo USB condenser microphone. Hey guys, so right now you are listening to my iPhone's audio, and we are going to be switching to the Beisiwo USB condenser microphone right now. So now you should be listening to my voice through the microphone. The microphone is just very powerful, guys. It was picking up raindrops in the other room. And until I put the sound foam on, everything hopefully is sounding a lot better. It's such a powerful microphone, and that's amazing, guys. So for podcasts, for anything like that, for audio recordings or music, I mean, this is your microphone. This has been the Beisiwo USB microphone. That's amazing, guys. It's so strong that it picks up all that sound and it levels your voice. Like, it was a strong bass taste the difference between my iPhone audio, and that was like night and day. It's completely different. It's just such a strong microphone. It's gonna pick up your audio in a perfect blend, and it's gonna be awesome for music, for audio, anything to do with picking up your voice in any way. It's awesome. Based on all this, guys, the compatibility of it, the versatility, the easy to use aspect of it, and the affordable price, this microphone I highly recommend to anyone who's looking for a starter microphone, or for anyone who's looking for a microphone for recording their voices. I would love to once again give a big thank you to Paladoo for giving us this free product for review. And yeah, that's just about wraps up this quick video. If you like what you saw or heard, please be sure to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, or ring that bell to stay up to date whenever I go live or upload a video. And as always, stay awesome, keep the hype alive, and I will see you guys in the next video.